Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're diving into the vibrant world of South African English. It's a beautiful, unique dialect filled with words that paint a vivid picture of its culture. But if you're from America, some of these might leave you scratching your head. So, get ready. Because I'm about to share 5 awesome South African English words you probably won't hear in the USA. First up is a word that's more than just a word. It's a cultural institution, braai. Now, you might look at a braai and think, oh, that's a barbecue. And you'd be close, but not quite right. A braai is a social event, a gathering of friends and family centered around a wood or charcoal fire. It's about the slow cooking, the conversation, the entire atmosphere. While a barbecue might be a quick affair with a gas grill, a braai is an all-day commitment to good food and even better company. It's a cornerstone of South African social life. Next on our list is jaw. If someone in South Africa invites you for a jaw, get ready to have a good time. A jaw is a party, a celebration, or just a general good time. You could say, we had a massive jaw last night, meaning you had a fantastic party. It's a versatile word that perfectly captures the spirit of fun and festivity. So, if you hear someone talking about a jaw, you know something exciting is happening? It's not just a party, it's an experience. Now, let's talk about food, because this next one is a culinary icon, bunny chow. Don't worry, no rabbits are involved. A bunny chow is a delicious and super popular street food, especially in the city of Durban. It consists of a hollowed-out loaf of white bread filled with a flavorful curry. It's hearty, it's messy, and it is absolutely amazing. You won't find this on a menu at your local American diner, but if you ever get the chance to try one, you absolutely must. Okay, number 4 is a word you'll hear all the time in South Africa. Lekker. Lekker is an all-purpose word for great, nice, or delicious. Is the food good? It's lekker. Having a good day. It's a lekker day. Met a cool person. They're a lekker person. It's an incredibly positive and versatile adjective that just makes everything sound better. It's one of those words that once you start using it, you won't want to stop. It's just ... lekker. Finally, we have how's it. This is the quintessential South African greeting. It's a casual and friendly contraction of how is it going, but it's used just like hello or what's up. It's warm, it's welcoming, and it's something you'll hear from strangers on the street to your closest friends. It's the perfect way to start a conversation. So instead of hey, you'd just say, how's it? Simple, right? And there you have it. 5 fantastic South African words to add to your vocabulary. Language is such a beautiful window into culture, isn't it? Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more adventures in language. Catch you in the next one.